Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find the latest job updates and complete placement preparation. In this video, I am going to explain how to create your portfolio website for free and how to host on Google Drive so that anyone can access your portfolio website once you share the link, and you can add this portfolio website in your resume. Trust me, it will impact a lot, and free source code is already given in the description box. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, let me quickly show the demo of the portfolio website so that you can know which type of portfolio website we are going to create in this video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the portfolio website which we are going to create in this video. So at the left side you can see a lot of options. If you click on any one of the options, it will redirect on that particular section. For example, my skills, it will redirect here: education, experience, certificates, contact, right? And you can click on this icon, it will redirect you at the top, and here you can see name, everything. So in this video I am going to explain how you can use this code and you can add it. You can change your name to your name, my name to your name, right? You can change your name and you can add it so that you can save your time. Simple. You can see name, then your role, even you can change the role as well. Now here about me, you can change this, everything you can change. You can see total 4 projects completed during internships, total 3 internships completed. You can change this as well. Here skills, you can add more skills. Even you can remove some of these skills if you don't have any, right? Even you can change this percentage as well. After that, education, you can add your educations, your secondary school, senior secondary school, any graduation, anything you can add here. After that, internship experience, if you have done any internship, you can add here. If you don't have any internship experience, don't worry, you can comment this part. I'll explain how you can comment this. And if you have any experience, like in company experience, then you can change this to experience instead of internship. So after that, you can add your certificates as well, right? You can simply, you can click on the, you can see here, for example, this one is the MCAT certificate, right? After that, here you can see this is the certificate of completion by great learning, right? After that, now here you can see the contact me. You can add your contact details as well. You can add your GitHub profile, LinkedIn, HackerRank, CodeChef, any profile you can add here. So right, so I think now we are done with the demo. Yeah, one more thing we can show. This one is the fully responsive website, so mobile responsive, I mean. So you don't need to worry. So let's see how it will look like on the mobile. So you can inspect this. Now you can see it is looking like this. So in the on the mobile devices, it will look like this. At the top left side, you will find one option for the mobile devices. Once you click on that option, it will show some of the options here, and you can directly click on the options. It will redirect on that particular section. For example, if you click on the certificates, it will redirect on the certificates section and you can click on the this option. Again, you can click here and you can click on the contact me. It will redirect you on the contact me screen, right? Yeah, so we are done with the demo. Now let's see how we can edit these details so that you can save your time, right? You can directly use this code. You don't need to add any other details. Simple. You can download this code which I already gave in the description box, and you can edit the details and you are done, right? So now let me tell you how you can do that. So step 1 is, first you need to click on the link which you will find in the description box, right? Download link, download source code link, you will find on the description box. You need to download one. Once you will download that, it will be like this, my portfolio. Here you need to extract this because this is the zip file. Here you need to extract it. You can click here, extract all. Once you click here you can choose your path, right? So I don't want to add my portfolio. Simple, YouTube is done. Now you can extract here. Just wait, it's extracting. Yep, we are done. Now you can see once you extract it, it will show these many files. Now we can delete this one, my portfolio. This is not required anymore. So simply we can delete this. Now we need to use these files we need to use, and we are done. Simple. So now what is the next step? So that is very easy step. What you have to do, so simple, you need to use any one of the code editor or text editor as well. So here in this video I am going to use VS Code, right? So now let me open these files on the VS Code. So here, so I have opened these files on the VS Code. So let me tell you one more important thing. Simply you need to click here. This one is the index.html file. Simply you need to click here, double click, you need to double click on this file, then it will directly open your portfolio on the browser once you double click on that, right? Once you double click on this index.html, then it will automatically redirect you on this website on the browser, right? After that, okay, so now let's try to edit these details. So once you will open these files in the any one of the code editor, I'm going to use VS Code. So here you need to edit only this file, index.html. So let's click on this, right? So now we have opened this, so you can see all the code here, right? So simply we need to edit this code. Yeah, this is a very easy step. So first thing is, let's start from starting. So at the top you can see here, right, Anurag Tiwari, this name you can see here, right? So let's try to edit this. So here, if you want to edit this name, then you need to edit this file, this one, Anurag Tiwari. Here you need to write your name. Once you will change this one to your name, then it will change here as well, right? After that, let's try to edit this. For example, here let's try to add one more one. For example, anything XYZ, right? Now let's try to edit, refresh this. You can see whenever I refreshed it, it is showing here Anurag Tiwari XYZ, right? Now let's remove this because this is not the valid name, right? After that, second part is, if you want to remove this logo or if you want to change this logo, what you have to do, you need to change the logo. Let me tell you where you can change. So here you can see here favicon, right? This is nothing but a favicon. So here you can change this favicon. So here you can see in the images, you can see lot of images. So you can download any one of the image, whatever you want to show here. So that image name you need to provide here. Instead of favicon, you need to name that part, right? After that, here, now let me tell you how to change this part, Anurag Tiwari. Let's scroll here, let's scroll, again scroll, yeah, here you can see this one, Anurag Tiwari, in the line number 151. You can see you need to change whenever you will change this name, then it will reflect here. Let me change again once, for example, again XYZ, right? I have saved it. Now I'll refresh this. Once I'll refresh, you can see here it's reflecting here as well, right? Yeah, so now again let me remove it. So here you can change your name. Let me again refresh it. So here, so we are done. Now if you want to change this logo, how you can change it? Here you can see avatar 1. You need to change this image, you need to replace this image with any one of the image, whatever you want. So simple, what you have to do, simply you need to download any image, that you need to copy that image here inside this, move inside this images folder. After that, you need to give the name of that image here in the line number 148, right? After that, how you can change this role, just scroll here, you can see front-end developer, software developer, data scientist. So here it's showing 3-1, front-end developer, just wait, after few seconds it will show next one, software developer, again wait, yeah, data scientist. So 3 roles it's showing here, right? So you can change this accordingly, how many skills you have, so you can change it accordingly. After that, hire me, so you can see let it be because this is the better one. After that, scroll down, let it be. Yeah, one more thing, how we can change the left one. For now you don't need to change this left thing here, about, home, these are fine, right? So simply you need to here change here. If you want to change this part, let me tell you, just scroll here, scroll, again scroll, keep scrolling, again. Here you need to change here whatever paragraph, whatever you want to write about yourself, you can change this from line number 380 to 383. Whatever you will change here, it will reflect here, right? Even you can change this percentage as well. Let me tell you how you can change it. For example, here 85, right? If you want to change it to, let's move it to 100%. I change it. Now let's refresh it. Now you can see it's 100% now. Even you can change this value as well. Here also you need to change it to 100%, right? Let's refresh it. You can see now green line is up to 100% and number is also 100%, right? So similarly you can change these skills as well, data science, software development, you can change it similarly like here data science here, right? If you want to change it to for example 50%, then you can change it to 50%, and here as well you need to change it to 50%. Just save it, and you can change the color as well. If you want to make it yellow, you can make it. I have saved it. Now let's refresh this. You can see here, right? So everything you can do. Similarly, you can change this software development as well. Even you can add some new skills as well, right? Suppose if you want to add one new skill, how you can do that? That is very easy step. Let me tell you. Currently you can see how many skills are there. First one is this front-end development, second one is data science, third one is software development, right? And yeah, only 3 skills we have, right? So let's add one more. How you can add? So you need to copy from this, from here to here, right? Just copy it and you can paste it here, here, and we can change it here. This one is the front-end development. Second one, let's change it to back-end development. Back-end development, let's make it 60%, and here let's make it 60%, and let it be green, right? I have saved it. Let's refresh it. You can see now there are total 4 skills, right? Even you can remove as well. Similarly you can add. Now how you can change this 4 and 3? That is very easy. Just scroll here. Yeah, total projects completed, you can see 4, right? And here internships completed 3. So you can change it. For example, if you want to change it to any something else value, for example, if you have completed 6 projects and total internships, suppose you have completed total 2 internships, right? Just save it and let's refresh it. You can see here, right? It's done. Let's again make it to 3. Yeah, right? So now how you can change the skills? You can see it's done. Now how you can change the skills? Let me tell you. Just scroll here, my skills. Here you can see first one is HTML, that is 95%. HTML 95%, right? Second one is CSS. Just scroll here, you can see CSS 95%. So you can edit these values. For example, if you instead of CSS, if you want to add something else, for example, let's not change CSS, let's change this one, for example, data structure, last one. So how we can do that? Just scroll to, just go to data structure, just wait, PHP, Python, this is Java, this is C programming, this is C++ programming, data structure, this one, right? Let's change this. Suppose let's change it to something else. For example, Flutter is a framework, right? So let's change it, and here let's make it 85%, and here let's make it yellow, and here also let's make it 85. I have saved it. Let's refresh it. So you can see this one is the Flutter, right? Yeah, spelling is wrong. Yep. Again refresh it. You can see Flutter is 85%. So similarly you can edit any one of the skills, and you can add some more skills as well. Simply you can copy this part, simply you can copy these parts, and you can add. For example, let's copy this and just paste it here. I have pasted it. Now here let's change it to ABC programming, right? Here let's make it only 5%, and let's make it red, right? Now let's refresh it. Now you can see we can add any one of these skills here. Even you can remove it as well, right? After that, education. So in the education also you can change the values. Just scroll here, you can see this is the experience section. This was the experience. Yeah, you can see. Actually, let me change this. This is not the experience, this is the education. Yeah, okay, this is the education. Here you can change the this one. For example, if your year of passing is from June, let's change it from, if your year of passing is from 2020 to 2024, right? So you can change it. Just save it. It will reflect here. You can see it will reflect here, right? You can change your CGPA as well here. If you want to change it to 10 out of 10, you can change it. You can change your university name, anything you can change here. Even you can change it to any other branch. Let's refresh it. You can see 10 out of 10, right? Similarly, you can change it this one as well. You can see this part you can change. Even you can edit these 10th details as well. After that, internship experience also you can change. Just scroll here. This one is the internship. Okay, here this one is the internship. Okay, internship experience, how you can change? You can change here. For example, first one is, you can see date. You can change these dates. Even you can change the role as well, web development, right? You can change the organization name, location, duration, projects completed, anything you can change here. Similarly, you can change the second one as well, third one as well, right? You can do whatever you want, you can do here. After that, certificates, right? So this one is the certificates. So here you can see I have added total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total 10 certificates I have added. So you can add at least you can add any one or you can 1 2 3, any number of certificates you can add here. Just scroll here. You can see first one is the web development internship at Qualcomm. So you can see this part. So whenever I am hovering on this, it is showing this text. So this text is for this, and if you click on this, it will show the internship here, internship certificates, right? So how you can change, suppose if you want to change this internship certificate, this certificate, how you can change that? So you can see here images. This one is the qualcomm.png. Let me show that. Actually, you need to go to images. I have already added my certificates here, qualcomm.png. Just scroll here. Let's search here. You can see qualcomm.png. You can see this is a certificate, right? So instead of this, you can add your certificate. You can add your certificates and you can copy those certificates inside this images, and you can replace the name. You can replace that name with this qualcomm.png, right? Similarly, you can change all the certificates, right? After that, contact me. So yeah, this one is the contact me. So you can change your contact details as well. Just scroll here. So again scroll, there are total 10 certificates. Again scroll. Yeah, this one is the contact me section. So here you can see, you can change your name, your email ID, you can change your phone number, WhatsApp number, address, date of birth, your GitHub profile, any profile you can change here, right? You can change, just add it and you are done, and you don't need to worry about this. You can ignore this. Yeah, right? And just you can refresh, then you can see all the changes. Yeah, so now I think we are done with this. Now let's see how we can host this website on Google Drive. For now, you can see this URL, right? So if I provide this URL, or if I share this URL with anyone, then it won't work, because this URL will work only in my system, right? Not in your system. So how we can create a common link for everyone, so that if I share that link, so that anyone can access this portfolio website, right? So how we can do that? So for that, let's try to host this website on Google Drive, right? So let's start. So for that, step 1 is you need to go to Google Drive here, right? So you can create any one of the folders. So I have created a folder that is YouTube. So you can create one more folder here if you want. So just click on this, click on the new folder. Here you can give any name. So here I am going to give the free, or let's write my portfolio, right? Just create one, click on the create. After that, double click on this. Here you need to upload all the files, whatever files we have, right? We need to upload this. So how we can do that? We need to go here, and now let's do one thing. Just select everything. Simple, you can select everything from mouse, or directly you can click Ctrl A, right? Ctrl A. Now just try to drag and leave here, drag and drop here, right? Just wait, it's loading. Yeah, let me pause this video. Once it is done, then I'll again start the video. Yeah, it's done. Now you can see 9 uploads complete, right? Click here, cut. Now what we have to do, next step is now what we have to do, here you can see there is one file that is index.html. This one is the important one. Just right click on this and let's try to rename it. Click on the rename. Now here what we have to do, we have to write www dot in the starting, and in the last we need to write .com. So it is www.index.html.com. just click on OK. Now let's go back to that folder. Now here we need to right click on this, click on the share, or we can click on the get link. Any one of the options you can click. Just here we need to give the permission here. Just click on this. Here we need to click here, anyone with the link. Once we click here, it is done. Now simply click on the done. Right? Yeah, now we are done with this. Now next step is we need to visit a website, that is drv.tw. Once we visit this website, then it will be like this. Here you can use or you can host your portfolio on either Google Drive or on Microsoft OneDrive. So in this video we are going to use Google Drive. So let's click on this. Once we click on this, then it will ask the permission. You need to choose any one of the account. Right? Click on this. You need to give the permission. Click on the allow. Then wait. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, congratulations, right? We are done. Just wait, it's loading. It will generate a link, and that link we can use, or you can share that link with anyone, right? We got it. It will show all the links whatever we have done in the past. So in the last you will find this one. So let's try to click on this, or we can click on the open in a new tab. Just click on this. Just wait. Now wait, it's loading. Yeah, now we can see we are done, right? So this is what we want to look, right? It is done. Everything you can see. Yeah, you can see education, everything you can see, it is done. Now if I share this link with anyone, then anyone can access this portfolio with this link. So this is done, right? Now we have hosted our portfolio for free on Google Drive, right? And whenever if you want to delete this, simply you can delete this folder, then this link won't work, right? Yeah. Now you can add this mini project, you can say mini project, or you can say this portfolio website, right, in your resume. Then it will impact. Yeah, and enjoy. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.